area will be a good way.
Restoration is first 1.5 to 2 years.
Our excavation, the concrete finish. Now we are in a new stage, concrete.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, welcome to see you. Welcome. This cleaned area will be our dam. With your the visit, we will start the ground gallery. Yeah, this is for ground.
Я сам разговариваю, что он собой. 3-4.